Hello, good morning students. Now we discussing about the uh, questions of your lesson life processes. Now you have to open your notebook and come on the page number 95. Uh, we have discussed first in text question. That is a first question: why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirement of multicellular organism like humans? So you have to write the answer of this question. The diffusion is insufficient to meet the oxygen requirements of multicellular organisms like humans, because in multicellular organisms all the cells of the body may not be in direct contact with the surrounding environment. So that is the reason for this question. Why is diffusion insufficient to meet the oxygen requirement of multicellular organisms like humans? You have to write as like. And now question number 2: what criteria do we use to decide whether something is alive? You know uh, what is living and non-living. So there should be some of the criteria. You have to decide that thing is living or non-living. So there are some of the criteria you have to write, such as so you have to write answer of this question. The different criteria that can be used to decide whether something is alive are: first, you have to write there uh, living characters like movements, growth, metabolism, cellular body designs, nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, response to stimuli, and reproduction. All these characters show that something is alive. So you have to write the answer of this question. Now third question: what are the outside raw materials used for by an organism? You have to write the answer of this question. The outside raw materials used for by an organism are: what things we have to take from the environment, and the raw materials such as food. We take food from plants and animals. Now oxygen, we take oxygen from the environment, and water, we take water from the environment. So you have to write food, oxygen, and water. Food is source of energy, and oxygen requirement for breathing, and water for proper digestion of food and other function inside our body. Now fourth question: what process would you consider essential for maintenance life processes? The you have to write answer of this question. The processes uh, which are considered as essential for the maintaining life are: only maintaining life, nutrition, respiration, transportation, execution. Here you not mention reproduction. Reproduction is not a essential. How many of living organisms which cannot produce due to some hormonals and other reasons, but they can alive. So you have to mention this answer, this answer of this question: only essential processes like nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, etc. Now you have to come on page number 101. What are the difference between the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition? And you have to study about the autotrophic nutrition, heterotrophic nutrition. Now autotrophic nutrition is the nutrition in which In this nutrition, mode of nutrition, organism make their own food from carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, such as all green plants. Now, heterotrophic nutrition, in this mode of nutrition, organisms derive their nutrients from other living organisms. For example, non-green plants and animals, including human beings also. So you have to write all these answer uh, according to their question. Now question number 2 on the page number 101. Where do plants get each of raw materials required for photosynthesis? Now you have to answer this question. Plants get carbon dioxide from atmospheres through stomata and water from soil through roots and transport to leaves. These are the raw materials from plant gets from the for the photosynthesis. Now third question, what is the role of the acid in our stomach? You have to write the answer of this question. It make the medium acid for action of enzyme pepsin, and this acid it help in killing germs. So you have to write two function of acid. First, it make the medium acidic for their enzyme, for the action of enzyme pepsin, and it helps to kill the germs. Now fourth question, what is the function of digestive enzyme? Digestive enzymes, now you have to write the answer of this question. Digestive enzymes help to break complex food into simpler molecules, protein converted into amino acids, fats converted into fatty acid, and glycerol, complex carbohydrates into glucose. So you have to write the function of digestive enzyme as like. Now fifth question, how is the small intestine digest how is the small intestine designed to absorb digested food? You have to know about the design of small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine contain large number of finger-like projections called villi. You study about the villi. These villi increase the surface area for the maximum absorption of food. So you have study about the function, what are villi and what are the function of villi in class 7th. So you have to recall and write the answer for this question. Now you have to come on page number 105. What advantage over an aquatic organism does a terrestrial organism have with regard to obtaining oxygen for respiration? Now you have to write this answer of this question. The amount of oxygen dissolved in water is very low as compared to amount of oxygen in air. This terrestrial thus terrestrial organisms have to make less effort to obtain oxygen than an aquatic organism to obtain oxygen for respiration. This is the reason for this question. Now next question, what are the different way in which glucose is oxidized? It's provide energy in various organisms. So there are some of the ways in which glucose is oxidized. Now first is Uh, First is glucose in cytoplasm. Glucose, how many molecules of carbon in this in the glucose? There are 6 carbon. You have to mention here glucose C6 carbon molecules in cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, glucose converted into pyruvate. How many carbon molecules in pyruvate? There are 3 molecules and plus energy it release in cytoplasm. And this pyruvic acid and pyruvate convert into first absence of oxygen. There are some of the organisms just like yeast. This pyruvate convert into ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. And this pyruvate lack of oxygen, insufficient oxygen in when we have to do some heavy exercise, and in running case this pyruvate convert into lactic acid and energy. Ethyl alcohol contain 2 carbon molecules and lactic acid contain 3 carbon molecules. Now pyruvate convert in presence of oxygen in mitochondria. There pyruvate convert into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So there are 3 ways by which glucose convert into energy in various organisms. You have to write as like. Now next question, how is oxygen and carbon dioxide transported in human beings? So transport of oxygen and transport of carbon dioxide. First of all, you have to write transport of oxygen. Oxygen is transported from respiratory organs to body cells. Hemoglobin help in transportation of oxygen in alveoli of the lungs. Hemoglobin combines with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin HbO2. When blood reaches the tissues, oxygen is released from the oxyhemoglobin for the consumption by the tissue. Now hemoglobin Hb plus O2 is equal to HbO2. It forms HbO2. Now transport of carbon dioxide CO2 is more soluble in water. Hence it is mostly transported from the body tissue in the dissolved form in our blood plasma to lungs, where it diffuses from blood to air in the lungs and the expelled but through nostrils. Now next question, how are the lungs designed in human beings to maximize the area for exchange of gases? So the alveoli, answer of this question, the alveoli are present in the lungs provide maximum surface for exchange of gases. The alveoli have very thin walls and contains large number of blood vessels. These blood vessels help in exchange of gases. So you have to write the answer of this question. And now we have to discuss from page number 95 105. So you have to write in your notebook, and some of the question you have to do on your there to take their homework and complete the lesson. If you have to if you have to any doubts for the doing exercise question, you have to call me and complete your lesson. All the best. Thank you.